สวัสดีค่ะ Let's set the table. 10 food words today. The exact ones you point at, order, and eat all over Thailand. And you meet them the way you actually will, by ear, before you ever see them written. So here's the game. I say a word, you catch its meaning in your head before I show it. Off we go. Cow. Cow. That's rice. Cow, a falling tone, and it's the heart of every Thai meal. In fact, the everyday way to say eat is กินข้าว literally eat rice. Even if you're having noodles, you might still say กินข้าวน้ำ water น้ำ high tone. When you're thirsty, this is the one word you need. Next, ไก่ That's chicken. ไก่ Hold on to this sound. We're circling back to it at the very end. หมู Pork. หมู rising tone. Thailand runs on pork, so you hear หมู constantly. หมูปิ้ง Grilled pork on a stick is on every corner. ไข่ That's egg. ไข่ Keep this one warm in your ear too. It's the other half of our little trap later. ปลา Fish. ปลา Nice and flat, a mid-tone, no rise, no fall. กุ้ง Shrimp. กุ้ง falling tone. Think of the famous soup ต้มยำกุ้ง That last word is our shrimp. ผัก Vegetable. ผัก Now careful, ผัก with a low tone is vegetable, but ผัด, which sounds almost identical, means stir-fried. So ผัดผัก is stir-fried vegetables. Pai loves to keep your ears honest. You're on a roll. ไก่ หมู ปลา กุ้ง all by ear. Don't let it cool off. A tap keeps the momentum going. กาแฟ Coffee. กาแฟ Say it out loud and you can almost hear the English hiding inside it. Last word, and it's the trickiest to say. ก๋วยเตี๋ยว Noodles. ก๋วยเตี๋ยว A real mouthful to pronounce, but a total joy to eat. Quick replay before the finish. I'll say each, you catch the meaning without looking. ข้าว rice. น้ำ water. ไก่ chicken. หมู pork. ไข่ egg. ปลา fish. กุ้ง shrimp. ผัก vegetable. กาแฟ coffee. ก๋วยเตี๋ยว noodles. 10 words and you can already half read a menu. Now, one last ear test, and it's the pair I promised you. The one that catches almost everyone at the food stall. Remember ไก่ chicken and ไข่ egg? To the ear, they're near twins, but the very start splits them. ไก่ chicken opens with a hard sound made right at the back of your mouth, like the G at the start of go, with no breath after it. ไข่ egg opens more like the key in kite, with a soft little puff of air right behind it. Listen to the one I play and tell them apart. ไข่ Chicken or egg? That was the breathy one. ไข่ egg. So at the stall, ไก่ gets you the chicken and ไข่ gets you the egg. Swap them and lunch suddenly gets interesting. Nail that one pair and the whole menu is yours. Your ears did all the work today and they did it beautifully เก่งมากจริงๆค่ะ If you'd like me back tomorrow with the next plate of words subscribe and there'll be a fresh one waiting แล้วเจอกันค่ะ